Soosame versus mysterious noises. Don't worry, if he bites us, I'll take this away. Alright. I think he's... Oh my god. Is this... I'm just worried. Is he actually scared of this? One last time, okay? He's looking at me like, what? And what? So what? I think I'll press the bell now. I think I'll scare him, so. Never seen Sesame that scared of this doorbell. Okay. Let's do another noise. Then how about this one? I see. The opposite. He goes running off with the ball. How about this? Make that noise just comes tackling me. Yeah, he just wants to play with the ball. Give me the ball. Good boy. Wait, since he saw this thing this way, what if I flip it over and place it? Will he realize it's the same thing? I think he's not aware that it's the same thing. I flipped it over. Don't worry, I'll take it over and there's nothing he can eat. No, bad boy, bad boy. Now that he chewed it and he knows that it's actually something not dangerous. I think now he thinks it's just a toy. Yeah, okay, he's gonna start biting, so I'm gonna take it away. Good boy. Bye.